Okay, so this is THOR, a 1988 Sweden Yachts 340. Okay, so welcome on board THOR. We've now got a view forward into the cockpit with a large oversized wheel, and you can also see there is a Raymarine ST60 autopilot and a Raymarine R Series chart plotter at the helm. There is also a remote control for the ST60 wind and depth instruments. Moving into the cockpit, the port top opening lazarette, which runs the full depth of the hull, and you can see a Lumar primary winch here within easy reach of the helm position. Moving forward, you can see the wide uncluttered side decks, fully teak laid. This is the original teak deck, but was refurbished in 2013 with all caulking and deck plugs replaced. Looking forward, you can see the Selden rigging screw covers, and beneath are new Selden bottle screws. Moving forward again, you can see the large top opening hatch for the forecabin. Perspex has just been replaced in 2010-20 and resealed. Looking towards the bow, you can see the anchor windlass, a double bow roller, a Harkin rolling furling drum, and at the moment the 130% North Seals Genoa from 2017 is covered by a Genoa sock. The anchor locker, which holds a large plough anchor and over 50 metres of chain. This locker runs the full depth of the hull along with some shelf storage. You can see to starboard the spinnaker pole, which is stored on deck. Looking aft again, and with a view of the fresh stack pack, which makes seal handling much easier. Beneath there is a 2017 fully battened North Seals mainsail, along with a set of Fredrickson ball bearing mast cars, which makes hoisting very easy. Moving down the starboard side deck, you can see spray hood and a new Lumar main sheet traveller. And back towards the cockpit, you can see the starboard top opening lazarette, which again runs the full depth of the hull. Another view into the cockpit, you can see the Navtec hydraulic backstay with all seals recently replaced. And with a view of the companionway, you can see another Lumar self-tailing winch which controls the main sheet, a set of clutches to port and to starboard. There is also a set of ST60 Raymarine wind, depth and speed instruments. We're now down below with a view forward into the main saloon. THOR benefits from over 3 metres of beam at its widest point, which allows for a spacious saloon and a good sized saloon table where 6 adults can comfortably dine. Turning to starboard, you see the starboard settee with storage behind and an open bookshelf, and there is also ample storage beneath and behind the berth itself. Moving starboard and aft, you see the galley, which benefits from a 2-burner stove and oven, twin sinks, and a top opening fridge with plenty of volume. The compressor on the fridge has also been recently replaced. Looking into the saloon, and this time to port, there is more storage above and behind the port settee. Moving further aft, you see the navigation station with adjustable seat. In the top left hand corner of the navigation station, you see a new DSC VHF from Raymarine, and there's also a large Raymarine repeater from the main chart plotter, which is located at the steering pedestal. This repeater also acts as the main control for the radar. Moving aft and with a view into the aft cabin, you see some hanging locker storage here as we move in, and more locker or more storage up on the port side. You see a small settee on entry to the aft cabin. This is a large owner's cabin with the berth stretching almost the full width across the beam of the boat. There is also some top opening access to the new Volvo D130 engine, which was fitted on board THOR in December 2018. And with a view out into the saloon again, we will move forward through the saloon, and with a view into the fore cabin, you can see more hanging locker storage and the V-berth ahead. This V-berth has an infill which converts it to a good size double berth, and you can see that there is again storage to port and more storage to starboard. This cabin is en suite. You can see the heads with a Raritan Sea toilet, again hot and cold pressurised water, where the tap pulls out to double up as a shower, and an electric shower pump clears the heads. Again, more storage behind. And moving aft again. That just about completes our tour of THOR, the 1988 Sweden Yachts 340, which is currently afloat and commissioned for the 2020 sailing season on Strangford Lough in Northern Ireland.